The heat in for today was going to be like 117. However, our dealership account kind of just ran out of cars for us.
And because of that, actually a big tree branch fell on my roof.
What's going on, guys? This is Edgar. I'm one of the owners of GDS Detailing. We service the North Texas area. It's been a very long week and it's only Tuesday. Yesterday I got stuck in the mud and Nathan had to take care of some branches that fell on his roof just because of a really bad storm we had a few days ago. It's super hot right now. It's definitely one of the hottest days of the year, but we're still out here working. And one of the biggest things that's happening right now is we ran out of cars. The dealership that we worked at ran out of cars for us, so they have no more cars for us for the rest of the week. We're gonna have to do something different. We're gonna change our marketing strategies, and we're gonna share with you how we plan on staying busy during the summer, especially now that we hired someone else to help us out.
All right, guys. All right, guys, as you know, we're in the North Texas area, but if y'all don't know, it gets hot and it's not even summer yet. And we're already kind of in one of the hottest days of the year so far. No, we had an excessive heat warning yesterday and today. So yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of like already kind of sweating. Been trying out these new shirts, but I already kind of sweated it through it. Summer's coming. It's always one of the hardest times for detailers, but it's also one of our busiest times also. It's pros and cons, you know, about the summer, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. You know, we gotta make sure we all stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, drink plenty of Gatorade. I know Edgar always gets on to me about taking breaks, and I know I tend to not take breaks or drink water, and Edgar has to remind me, hey, take a break, drink water. So just remember, guys, you know, y'all stay safe, you know, make sure y'all think about yourselves first. As you guys know, we always kind of just talk about how crazy the weather is here. And that being said, it's hot today, but just a few days ago, last week, we've been having some crazy storms. Because of that, we've been having to reschedule a lot of people for this week. And it's supposed to rain again this week also. So the last storm we had a few days ago, guys, it was pretty bad. There was a whole tornado warning, there was hail, pretty strong winds. And because of that, actually a big tree branch fell on my roof, and I'm not sure if I got any damage or not. I had to kind of just, you know, call a roofer to see what's going on there, but I had to just cut it down because it was literally a huge branch just leaning on top of my house. So I had to just take care of that, and I had to cut down a lot of other branches because a lot of other branches fell on the ground too. Right now, I kind of just have like a whole pile of branches on my backyard, so I had to go throw those away or burn them or something, I don't know, but yeah, it's been crazy out here, guys.
All right. All right, so while Nathan was taking care of all his tree branch situation, I was actually going out to some land, and I actually got stuck in the mud. I didn't think it was that wet, but it was muddy, and I got stuck, and I was trying to pull it out myself, just trying to do a lot of different things, but none of it worked. I tried to call the tow company, and they wanted to charge me $500 just to pull me out, just because I was about 100 feet away from the actual service road, and that's too much money. You know, I just don't have that type of money just laying around just to, you know, waste it on a random Monday. So luckily Nathan was able to help me out. We used the company truck over here. He pulled me out. So yeah, we got it done. But it was a super crazy day. Luckily we had no customers that day. That way we were able to take care of our personal stuff. Nathan worked on this house and I worked at the land. But yeah, it's been a little slow right now. Last month was super busy for us. We hit over 8,000 for the month. This month we were on track for it as well. However, our dealership account kind of just ran out of cars for us. They don't have anything for us right now. We're pretty much caught up. Usually, whenever we don't have any regular customers or maintenance customers, we could always go back to the dealership and they'll have something for us. But this week, they don't have anything. We're all caught up. So as of now, the maintenance detail, it was the only thing we had going on for today. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna go sit, we're gonna talk, and kind of just think about what we need to do during this summer to really improve our business, just because we can't rely too much on those commercial accounts, because like today, they don't have anything for us. So we need to branch out, talk to other dealerships, talk to other commercial accounts, you know, start posting more on social media. That way you could get more customers. We need to reach out to our previous clients to see if they want us to provide them with a maintenance detail or any other service that we could offer them. So we need to be really intentional and be more proactive with our customers. That way we could have a really good summer, because if we're gonna be out here, I wanna have an awesome summer. You know, my goal is to hit 10,000 for this month. We're not on track for it, but it's the middle of the month. So if we could just tweak a few things, I know we can make it happen. All right guys, so it's super hot outside, so make sure you're staying hydrated, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, take some breaks if you need to, work in the shade if you can. It's not even the summer yet, and it's basically the hottest day of the year. The heat index for today was gonna be like 117. It's just crazy out here. So you guys be safe, you guys take care, and we appreciate the support that you guys been giving us so far.
All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. Also, one more thing, guys. I'm a little disappointed. There's some people who have been watching the videos who haven't subscribed yet. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button.
We really appreciate all the support that you guys been giving us. You guys stay safe.